Good Monday morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I make my cuticle oil pens based on a recipe from Simply Nailogical, who basically inspired this recipe, and I'm pretty much copying her. But I really love it. I don't like hand creams, as you guys know, but my cuticles definitely love the oil treatment. I keep one at my desk and do it every time I remember, or if my cuticles just feel a little bit dry. So I'm using these cuticle pen things from Amazon, some jojoba oil from Amazon. This is from Levin Rose, and it's a 4-ounce bottle, as well as some Jamieson Pro Vitamin E and some essential oil from the Body Shop. This is a super ancient bottle of Divine Calm essential oil, which I'm not too sure what it's got in it anymore, probably some lavender. And basically I'm going to make a cuticle oil by combining these 3 ingredients into this twist up pen. So the majority of the cuticle oil is just going to be the jojoba oil, so I'm just going to do a couple squirts of that. And that is to really moisturize and keep your cuticles in good condition. A little bit of, like literally 1 drop of the essential oil. If you have sensitive skin, you probably want to leave that out, but I like experimenting with it. And finally, just a little couple drops off the spatula of the vitamin E oil to repair, moisturize, and smooth out your cuticles. It's really sticky and gross on its own, but with the jojoba oil mixed in, it doesn't leave any weird residue. Then you just snap the cap on the pen and give it a twist, and you can just paint it directly on your nails. If you haven't checked out Simply Nailogical's video, again, I will link it down below so you can see her original recipe. But I find this super convenient, super easy to do, and I really like the product that it makes. It's not too expensive to create. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on these pens. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos from me. Huge thanks to my Patreons for helping to bring these videos to you guys. If you want to help support me, definitely share it with anybody who might find it helpful, and subscribe down below. I'll see you all in Wednesday's beauty video. Bye, guys.